Stop by and take a look at the 2015 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.